Hello everyone. So in the previous video I have explained Sumo table with column view. Now in this video I will explain Sumo table as a pivot view. So let's start to create a Sumo table. Click on plus, then card, then we have option to click on view more Sumo table. Let's select the data set. I have selected the data set. So we can see like by default it's created Domo Domo has created column view Sumo table. So we can say we have an option here to change and go to pivot view. So when I click on pivot view, again I have option to go to column view. But now in this video we have to work on pivot view. So let it be loading. So we can see we have a two section for category and one is for value. So let's select the category. So I want to show number of row as a category. So we can see now I want to see the value item price. So by default it should be sum. Now we can see for every item category we have sum of item price. Now I have an option to add multiple categories. So I want to see the total item price of each category for different country origin. Let's see. Now we can see it got divided into four countries: China, Indonesia, United Nations and Vietnam. And this is the item category. So we can see the list for bootleg item category for country of origin China. This is the total item price. For other country there is a no item price, means for bootleg the country of origin is China only. But when we look at the flare, then we can see for flare this is the item price where country of origin is China, but we have another also like Indonesia, Vietnam also. So it means we can say this flare item category is getting produced in other many countries like China, Indonesia, Vietnam. So in this way we can make a report using pivot table when we have to like give multiple dimension. Just example here, item category I have given here in list of rows, and then item country of origin given here as a list of column. And now we can measure the value of item price with two dimension like item category and country of origin. So like that I think we have an option to add multiple category. Now I have added one more category. So now we can see for region, central region, we have this much item category and for different country of origin. So based on the requirement we can customize our report. So that's all about Sumo table as a pivot view. Thank you. Sorry, complete before ending this lecture I have to explain little bit more. So after creating a pivot table we have an option to add formatting also. Just example, I want to add formatting for item price. So let's click on item price, and item price I want to display as a currency in dollars. So let's click on currency. One more formatting I want to do here. Let's click on formatting, and I just want to mark on abbreviate. Let's see the value. Now I think it is looking a little bit better than previous value what we were showing. Apart from this we have option to apply filter, change aggregate, sort based on ascending or descending order. So we can apply filter also. Now item country is equal to origin. So here also we have an option to select required country. Just example, management, any user want to see the data for China, Indonesia and Vietnam only. then we can make a filter on this also. Now we are able to see only this three country. So again we have option to remove this. Now I want to see the data for United States and Vietnam. Let's click on these two. So we now we can see only data for United States and Vietnam. So similarly we have an option to make conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, like we can give a color based on the value of item price. Let me show you one basic example. If anything is between 50k and 70k, it should be gray. If anything is greater than equal to 70k, the color should be blue. Now if anything is less than 50k, the color should be pink. Let's see. Now we can see but we don't have any value where we don't have any of the value where sum of item price is less than 50k. That's why we don't have any pink color sale. Let's remove the filter again. Sorry. So we can see the filter is appearing at two places when I click on item price and when I click on item country of origin. So when I click on item country of origin, the filter will be for only this item country of origin. Let's click and remove all because I want to see all data now. Now we can see. Other thing is like we can sort this column sequence also. Let's sort it using descending. So Vietnam should be first now. Vietnam, then United States, then Indonesia, and then China. So here also we have option to sort based on ascending or descending. Let's sort based on descending. So now we can see straight is first and bootleg is last. So similarly store region also we can sort. So now we can see we are getting west first, then east, like it is sorted based on descending order. So that's all about Sumo table. Thank you.